Hello!
Hello!
We are doing our April Love. Oh, wait. I'm Debbie.
I'm Cindy.
And we are Sisters in Stitches. I gotta remember to do that every
And
video.
sisters in real life, in case you're new here.
Even when we don't want to be.
Yeah.
We're doing our April Luvcare box. We've had two previous boxes, and we liked both of them, so I'm hoping... Sometimes when Cindy and I like a box, the first one or two, and then all of a sudden, BAM! They stink. So we're really hoping this next box is going to keep us wanting to stay subscribed. So go ahead.
This is a vegan, natural, handcrafted bath and body box.
It's a spa box.
And their boxes are always pretty, so let's see.
Oh, it's the same box every time with the pretty insides.
So
but
pretty.
I can tell you right now, Cindy can't have this. They always give you a little sugary surprise, which I love.
All right,
So
the
give me
theme
the card.
is... No, you can...
You want me to do the box instead? I just did the last one.
Farmer's Market is the theme for April.
Love Shay, handmade. It says handmade with love. Aww. And you know, these boxes, you guys, are so cute because if you sent them to somebody for like a shower gift or like a bridal shower gift or something, the box itself is so pretty the way it's packed. It'd be a great gift to send somebody.
Yeah, for a bridal shower.
Or even like somebody going away to college that you want to send them off with some nice, you know, products to take with them and stuff.
That's a great idea.
Yeah, this is a great gift box.
Yeah.
So anyway.
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
all right,
so
what do we
the
got?
biggest thing in here, they have a little theme going here. So it seems like you get a body butter each month, which we love body. Cindy loves them a lot, and I like them through the summer because my skin gets really, really dry.
I see why they're calling this Farmer's Market. They have a lot of different scents.
This is called
Cucumber Melon Whipped Body Butter.
No,
it's
see,
$15.
I like this scent.
That is really, really nice. It is
It's
really
nice
it's
body
like
butter.
shortening. Show them.
Yeah, it goes on, but it doesn't leave you greasy like shortening. Once you rub it in, it's just soft.
Show them the...
It's really a nice body butter.
Yeah, I like
they
my
always
one
send
from
you
March.
This is in each box, a little wooden scoop and a little spoon.
It's
so
probably for something else in there. So,
well, if you want to dig some out and you don't want it to get under your nails like I do, I use a little spoon.
Yeah.
So I'm keeping this one this month.
That's okay. My one last month was cherry.
Oh, I'm keeping this too, unfortunately.
You know what? I think I better start opening these boxes. What the heck?
This is sage. Sage is one of my favorite scents, and lavender is my second favorite scent. So
Sage and lavender body polish. It retails for $17.
This is so nice. It'll scrub all that white crap off your legs.
All that like dead light.
Yeah, especially as you get older.
Did you show them what it looks like inside?
Well, it's like a. What is it made with?
Like,
Does it say?
It's almost like a sugar scrub. No, it's a mix of herbal fragrances and
sugar,
essential
Epsom
oils.
salt, Castile soap, vegetable glycerin.
Yeah,
wow,
it's like
nice.
It's a sugar scrub.
Isn't that nice? Can't wait to take a bath tonight. Poor Cindy.
Oh well.
All right, what's this?
She'll probably give this one to me.
Well, it's peppermint. What is it?
Is a peppermint lip scrub maybe?
Well, see, with those little lips, this will last her a year.
Is it?
Oh.
To use simply
I don't know what it is, but it's really good.
On lips, it exfoliates them for about 15 to 30 seconds, and then you rinse it off. The gritty sugar and oils will remove dead skin cells and add moisture.
Wow. It was good enough to lick up. I don't know if I was supposed to, but it's really tasty.
Oh, I like this.
All right, you can keep that. The next thing is friendship bread. Oh, I use these. Cindy doesn't.
It's wax tarts.
Yeah.
It's $6. I feel like I just had candy.
Ooh, that smells good.
It's the aroma of freshly baked bread with notes of raisins, nuts, and strawberries.
You can totally tell.
Wow.
Exactly what it smells like.
That's a really good little
I've already gone
product
through
for
my other two, so that'll be good for me.
All right.
What is this? Peppermint vanilla.
Lip butter.
Oh, you'll like that then.
I need all the help I can get with my lips.
Luvcare should find her a plumping lip balm.
There you go. Hey, if you're watching, put a plumping lip balm in there.
Cindy has like minuscule lips.
I need all the plumping I can get.
How do you
plumping in my
this
lips.
bad boy off?
We are cap challenged.
I don't know. Would you take that whole thing? Oh, there you go. Oh, oops. You idiot.
All right, let me try it after I just exfoliated my lips.
See, this is one Cindy can get all over her face and you won't see it.
It's like butter. Smooth like butter.
You don't really see anything. It's just like...
It's just like a...
Look at your chin! Look close! You saved that one for later?
Yeah. In case you stole this one.
Okay, this is called Lemon Pound Cake Shampoo Bar. What does that mean?
I don't know. It says, our shampoo bar is formulated with a botanical blend of silky luxe oils for normal to dry hair. This cleansing bar lathers great, leaves scalp and hair feeling soft, conditioned, and smelling amazing.
Well, now this would be a great idea. Look at your face.
I feel like I'm being scolded by my mom.
She's got big chunks of lip balm on her chin.
Because I broke it when I took the cap
So
off.
this is a shampoo, so you wet this, it says, and then you rub it in your hair?
Yeah.
We gotta try this.
That would be nice to bring on vacation, then you don't
Yeah,
have
but
to
what
get
if
bottles.
Where's the conditioner and stuff? With this
know.
dry ass bleach blonde hair, I need a lot of conditioners. So you'll
smell
be
it.
taking that home. Oh, and they send it on this little cute little pad,
yeah.
so it doesn't just sit in your shower on its own.
I'll try it tonight.
And
I've
then
never tried it. Have any of you tried a bar
soap
shampoo?
bar shampoo. I mean a shampoo bar. Let it wait and let us know.
I'm really anxious to try
That's
that.
exciting. And once again, Cindy doesn't get any of those little suckers they send. I think I've got about 15 of these now. I just keep putting them in the bag in my pantry for when Cindy's little grandkids come over because I don't have any grandkids yet.
All right, you guys. It is $39.95 a month. I'm going to put a referral link down because they are giving our subscribers only an extra special discount. So I think it's like it gets, I think they're dropping it like $15 or maybe $20 for the first box only.
Cindy remembers the email and says it was pretty hefty discount, but she doesn't know exactly, and can't find the email right now.
Yes, but I will put it below. So when you look in the description box, you will have all the information. So
this box came to $58.
Retail.
And it's nice because they actually figure it out for you just so you know what you're getting in the box.
But these are all handmade. They're all vegan. They don't put any like icky stuff in there.
Yeah, there's a 10% coupon code, but I know they were giving...
Luvcare.
Yeah.
No, that's just if you wanted
Just
to
if you
order
wanna
more
order.
products.
Oh, okay.
So, look, I mean, come on. We got a shampoo bar to try for the first time. That's fun. An awesome sugar scrub that you could just eat. The lip balm, which I ruined trying to take the cap off because
She didn't ruin it.
my cap challenge sister couldn't do it.
You didn't ruin it.
No, I know. I can smooth it out. Just rub your fingers all over my lip balm. Thank you. And then Debbie got a, what, like she stole
No, I just like the
a
scents.
body polish and a body butter. Oh, use the body
And then I
butter
got the-
in Scotland in case you find that man and he can just slip on down.
Yeah, I was telling my neighbors, I went over to a neighbor's house for Easter evening and they said, would you like a piece of carrot cake? And I said, no, I'm heading to Scotland and my dream man is there. My first dream man passed away, so I'm looking for my second dream man.
All right, so we highly recommend this box to you, and I will put everything below. You guys got to give it a try. It is so much fun, and the products are top-notch. They may not be high in retail price because they try and keep their prices down, with
So if you
advertising
like,
and packaging.
but also if you like the products, it's not going to kill you to reorder them if you like them.
Yeah, exactly.
And they give you a 10% off coupon code in your box to reorder. So I kind of like that they're not, you know, a 95, because truly when I get a $95 product, I use it till it's gone and then I don't reorder it because I'm not spending $95 on something for my face.
Yeah, yeah.
So the fact that these are all vegan, handmade, natural products
And budget friendly.
and budget friendly. I really am impressed. So
Good job,
again,
Luvcare.
Luvcare. Ladies, I'm not kidding.
You will love the care that it gives you.
Do we sound like a commercial? It's an unboxing, not a commercial.
We make nothing off of these boxes. We just get them because they're awesome. And Debbie's more of a bath girl. I'm more of a shower girl, but we'll give it a go.
She does take baths occasionally, but not like me.
So,
all right, ladies, thanks for tuning in. We have a couple more videos for you tonight, so
right. So hit that subscribe button.
Yes, we hit our goal, and we did pull our names, so we'll be sending those prizes out to the 2 women that were selected.
And I think we're probably going to go to like 2,000 for our next giveaway. Is it 2,500? 2,500? 2,500. So we've got, you know, a ways to go. So if you know anybody that wants to laugh and smile with us and chill out at the end of a workday, we're your channel. So thanks for watching.
Bye.
Oh, look at our Sisters in Stitches picture is right over our shoulder.
Oh, yeah.
This is the room we did our very first video in, so we thought we'd move back here for a few.
Just in honor of tonight, we brought back our, we did our, reach our goal video. So she's like, let's go back into the office and do some in there. Okay. It's a little messy.
All right. Thank you so much. And we will see you soon in our next video. Stay tuned.
Bye.
Bye-bye.